Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. HANM Mount Haraishan Circle donated blankets as part of the New Year's celebration. The renovated maternity ward of Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital at Jayau in Shillong inaugurated. And all MLAs to demonstrate in New Delhi if ILP is not granted to the state, PT Saukumi. And now the news in detail. The renovated maternity ward of Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital at Jayau in Shillong was inaugurated and dedicated to the people of the state today. The program was attended by I. Michael Carsanteo as the chief amidst doctors and elders of the Presbyterian Church. The function was concluded with the benediction of the chaplain of the hospital, Reverend R. M. Karshandi. Speaking at the program, Reverend Karshandi expressed gratitude to everyone who gave their hearts and soul in making this dream a reality, quoting that, "The joy of giving is not because you have lots to give, but it is better understood when you have nothing at all."
Kapeni baka don gajing kiu baka institutional delivery kata ba penisai bagi kimi nani ki mong ki long kimi kimi kilalong aware hadu kata-kata bagi don kaman yo ya kecing harap na hospital kung gawin na kita ka pre-NC, PNC mo, ENC ka badan kam kata-kata ya sekali-kali gawin ka reasons ka balong bamenta di ngam jumdan ka statistik ta mangala ban ong baka institutional delivery kala kiu sibut habai compare bat ko home deliveries. Kawai pada scheme ka pangitip kung ka Indra Dhanush phase 2 mentang katang yan ka ba promote sa immunization coverage ka ba kila launch sa waja kat sao man ay kini ka immunization kat ki vaccines ki ba available ya ki children ki ba po hadu wasnam ba po ka arsenal mga banong bat ki pang ya ka ba jutip bunsin ko long kung diphtheria whooping cough tetanus measles meningitis hepatitis B Kawai pada scheme abang kenal apa kerja GSSK Janani Shikshu Suraksha Karyagram kebaka objective jom mereka scheme kanong ban eliminate ya ka out of pocket expenditure dari ke OPE ke bang yong for both the pregnant women and the sick infants but ban airu the supplementary cash assistance iki bawan sya sumar ko hadios tan kamau to por kawai initiative ka bang ile ko Ganesh Das Hospital along ba buat gini ki taxi ki bajuan yang hantu road yang hospital itu ki driver bar ko ni pa ban registered apa ka department kanang ba yeki pendan kam ha ka ban ban rai ki nong pang hapo hospital ki long ki bar met lura apa hospital dalayo ka jing suma la de ha kulung la biang ban discharge ili on biang sepo yeng ki sinong ki ban ka siu hospital ka siu ka kan nak ni ka scheme ki kata ki jing duk sep Tekanir ko di kawai ki incentives ka government intervention ka long kuno pagin la man ya ram ha ka pwede penduna ya ka IMR at ka MMR
balong i representative jong kani ka trust ka ba layo benta ha kani ka singi bangin don benta ban clear banya snok tilang ban pembah bat ban kentiu ya ka hospital na kawai kapor sa kawai kapor Gumalaklen i ma-io mentan ngasno pan ay kublay ya ka hospital kaba in the midst of this pandemic hapring ngani ka jing jinjal na kagini kindiat banay ngidang shidap manakani bangin play ya ka ERI clinic kaba ngilayo ay baniyo bentalang banirap na kani ka KTUM trust menta hagini kindiat banay ki challenges ki babon ki jinge ki babon nre ngala ban plebiang saya kene ke maternity ward ban pinjana susu ya ka naga e ka bagalong menchua nganong tang usamla ngamda ai ban ai nakaliang ke jonga nre ke jing don dengkat ke jongi ke jing don dengkat ke dedication ka bangingi don kum ke yeng ngi persangkat bala bangin sok tilang ban yarap ban channel ya ka hospital ban ya ka jingdon kam ban penkiu na kapor sya kapor ngayang hang ni ban ong ban yesu khanai pi khindia syapang ka jing sedang jong kani ka jingede jong kani ka ta ka KTUM trust bat kani ka hospital ningkong ya ngatrai hagini ki khindiat sngi ki bangi layo kendu Ketua program kepada sudap ban pli KRI yo bani thru khana kindiap chapang kai ke jingmut kai ke kentin kai ke jing kai ke full form jong kata ke K2M trust ban kumno ka poilong yangi bangin wan ban yu kejap hagane ka hospital ban jip penyeram.
Meghalaya Congress legislator Process T. Saukmi today said, "It is high time for all the 60 MLAs to start demonstrating in New Delhi if the centre is not willing to grant ILP to Meghalaya." Speaking to the media, Saukmi said, "The right time to register to protest in New Delhi is at the commencement of the session of Parliament, which will begin this month." Saukmi also expressed concern over the farm laws passed by the centre, which led the farmers of Punjab and Haryana to vehemently oppose them with the uninterrupted sit-in demonstration in New Delhi.
Tiga bentak ke baar, iga bangai imat kalau lada kajar khat baka sarkar India, Prime Minister Modi bat nakaliw Amit Shah, Islam yang berterikam ya kan ILP, nakapor syakapor ngajuong. Kalau di kapor ban nakaliw jongi ki Emilian repungut, ban rak pelakat no hangthi hapo New Delhi. Mentari le baka nakaliw jong kapanmen kan sien kan sa Parlimen kan sarkan dia kenduk biang akan dia ke budget session angas ngobol raga jarhat bagi sokar India kamai kalau dia ke por nak lihat jemi bandra pelakar akan dia ke winter session ke berlong parlimen ke doha akan dia hong benai pemerintah ngak orang akan dia ke budget ke berlong mentah pi hak beri berkan dia nakalian ngejong ke media berkunjung ngejong jelahi barakoi berkunjung seng balang habat ai buromik seng balang borok seng balang akibat nak yang joki ke long bang kelemi syafat ya kaban yakhi berkumju long pengemau sarkar hak beri jin kam LP semua ai kublai si banu kublai si jangu long kaksem halang barok am tak le tristom tengah semua orang tangan ni gawai ingin hapan page mentah hak beri bat hak beri bakan ke farm law kabang sarkar India hak ni ke winter session bandem kala pas ke farm law kadang ke farm law ka tek na ka jimbit jingbiang joki nongrep jong India hi bar ka we ha bani ni farm law ngi habe ka sampul ka state Punjab ban harina na kalyang joki kale wat muta lalai apoi sau pos ngi tam ge khi apo Delhi ada boleh na mar ba ka don ka jingbiang ha ka bade ba ka ni ka law ka bade na ka ka bade na ka patagi nongrep menta na kalyang joki sto ba ka jimbit jingbiang nongrep Suppose ni kisah mata kekat, kisah mata kalau dia kisah mata yang kejikat nadong sedang, tiga so bang mana kadang kejungiru, gedon kami ke bang neki, kejiki mata, kejiki kejungi kalau hap kusang ke di hapo Delhi, tam sarkar Delhi kan tip bamangi gedon kami ke ILP, kumban nak yang kejungi ni ya pas mata ke susien hapo juga house, kabenta kabasa mdesu kan dulu mata, kabenta masa kalau action, don kam hapo Delhi. The
Nyotrap Achik National Movement HANM Mauta Raishan Circle, as part of the New Year's celebration yesterday, donated blankets to the resident of Permadan Domkse and Umkrem in West Khasi Hills district. These blankets were distributed to the family who are in need of these three places at the function organized by HANM in collaboration with the headmen of these places. Speaking on the occasion, the president of HANM said, "The distribution of blankets to the residents of these places is part of the yeoman service of the social organization." Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.